Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the Duolingo app. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.